But manya madam bako ono our Presby Primary na ending komo kakra mama madam abonidi na afin so no maybe sano motivation behind this success.
Yo me pacho your friend me Ofori Mensah me child of Akropong Presby Primary. Na motivation dey your man dey omu dey motivation bi omu nim omu wo bia omu nim dada. Na yembesa men kanche fum say Anglican no so mbe next year no enya ade o bedu finals so kura na maba be hia yen cause yen no yen jama o kapi wo hye ye school aye kura cap we sa omoje ne abeje nti cap no kura rase so mo sesa for my yen cause next year dey omo ye cap ye aye dey yen JHS dun sini JHS nsuni enti ye kaka prebie ni na nso mo sesa ma yen cause next year, I want the cap with my ready. You better course next year, so you're ready. You're better, Medasi.
This is a former Uti.